सत्येन रक्षते धर्मो विद्याभ्यासेन रक्षते मृज्या रक्षते रूपम कुलम वृतेन रक्षते। धर्म की रक्षा सत्य से, ज्ञान की अभ्यास से, रूप की रक्षा स्वच्छता से और परिवार की रक्षा एक अच्छे आचरण से होती है। Well, you all must be wondering, why am I talking about honesty, practice and so on? As it is the Anti-Corruption Day, which we celebrate every year on 9th December after UN passed a convention against corruption and enacted it on the same day. Since then, every year we celebrate the day with great fervor to highlight the most concerned issue prevailing worldwide. As this year COVID-19 has raised a substantial concern on corruption too. So the theme in a unison chosen for this year is Recover with Integrity. It is often misunderstood as only dishonest behavior by those in positions of power, but it has a wider dimension and could be at any level, from classroom to institution, from disobeying traffic rules to disrupting queue and even not paying taxes. Now a dominant question arises, why are we surrounded by such mindsets? And the answer is only one, and that is loss of ethics and values like truthfulness, non-violence, benevolence, humility. We are aware of it, but alas, still we wait for others to reform first and ignore our own attitude or responsibility. A corruption-free society will never come into existence by mere enforcement of law or legal implementation of acts, rather by acquainting the mass about its pros, promoting respect for each of other, designing a value-based curriculum and incorporating it in general behavior, and by seeking support from numerous agencies established to guide us. But at last, it comes to each individual, as every individual contributes to form a large unit in whole. Remember, together we can, and together we will mitigate this setback.